How to close your Depop account and remove a listing. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is get into your depop.com, and then from here make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after doing that, now what are we going to do is remove our items. For that, you would need to go to your profile and tap on the each active listing and select the delete listing option. Then from there, you will actually be able to remove all of your listing, right? So after doing that, in order to close your account, you would actually need to contact to the help support of Depop. So for that, what we're going to do is tap on the menu bar on the top left corner. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you will actually be able to see the option of support. Simply tap on that support option. Then from there, we actually can get the help of Depop. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you might actually see the option of contact us. So simply tap on that option, contact us. Then from here, simply add in your email address, your username, and what exactly you want to contact about. So in here, you need to select about account, just like this, and simply select the option of deleting my account, right? So in here, you can see I want to delete my account option, just like this, and simply select the reason of deletion, just like this. And then in here, you can actually describe what exactly your problem is, and if you want to add all of the attachment, you can do that, and then simply tap on submit. After doing that, here when the Depop gets all of your requests, it will actually review your request, and within a couple of business days, Depop will successfully delete your account. So yeah, this is exactly how you'll be able to do it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.